So just go to settings, see all settings, scroll all the way to the bottom of the page, and under vacation responder, check responder on and add a subject. So I'm not available or something. Add your message. I don't know, you can style it, you can do whatever you want. Just click save changes, and that's actually, you can also set last day if you want to. I guess if you want to set a range. If not, just make sure you go back and like once you're out of like coming back, uncheck it, disable it so that yeah, you stop sending people messages. Also, you can see at the top an alert that says all the incoming emails are gonna get an autoresponder email back. So yeah, that's how you set it, and that's how you unset it, and that's it.